This sail has the wire rope run and wire rope clamps loosely attached. With the pulley assembly fully extended, I'll remove the pin from the D-shackle, line it up with the hole on the anchor point, and reinsert the pin. To start, I'll tighten by hand and then follow up with a wrench. With the other two corners attached and mostly tensioned, this is also a good time to tighten down the wire rope clamps, which won't be shown in this video. For sails with more than 3 corners, it works best to attach opposite corners first. With the pulley assembly attached, I can pull the rope tight and tie it off. The rope is tied off to the cleat by wrapping the rope around both ends of the cleat while crossing over in the middle, forming a shape that looks like an 8. The last 2 passes, I'll turn the rope so that it crosses over itself. This will prevent slipping. I have a little excess rope which I'll tie off using an overhand knot. This part isn't for strength and is purely cosmetic. With all the corners attached, adjustments can be made to the tightness of the sail.